Do you not eat at night because of fear of obesity? In fact, this is unscientific. Dear friend, picture this. It's 9 o'clock at night. You're relaxing on the couch watching TV and all of a sudden your stomach starts rumbling. Sweet and salty snacks are calling your name. But you're trying to lose some weight, so you fight the intense urge to eat. After all, it's after 7 p.m., so that means no carbs, no sweet treats, and no salty snacks, because eating now or before bed means all those extra late-night calories will just expand your waistline, right? Ever felt this way when you're on a diet or trying to shed those excess pounds? Ever wondered if you could break these conventional diet rules and still lose weight? In fact, it's a mistake to lose weight by not eating at night. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. Myth number 1, eating food after 7 p.m. makes you fat. Researchers from Israel wanted to test whether eating more at night makes you gain weight. In their 6-month study, they randomized people, men and women aged 25 to 55, to one of two groups, comparing early morning eaters to late night eaters, and the results were surprising to say the least. This study was reported in Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases, and the huge dinner eaters not only lost more fat, they also felt more full throughout the entire 6-month period and had more favorable changes to their hunger hormones. Compared to the early morning eating control group, the huge dinner eaters experienced. They had fewer hunger cravings and reported being more satisfied with their meals. They lost 11% more weight. They trimmed 10% from their waistlines. They lost 10.5% more body fat. This study alone supports late-night eating as a smarter weight loss strategy, one that clearly helps people burn more fat. Myth number 2, late-night eating slows down your metabolism. Though most of us have been led to believe our metabolism runs slower at night, or while we are sleeping, it's just another myth. In fact, research shows that the average person's metabolic rate is no different during sleep than during the day. In short, your metabolism doesn't slow down at night. Nor does your body store fat at the end of the day. Whether it's 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., you use food for energy the same way. No matter when you eat a meal, your body's metabolism increases because you have to burn extra calories to digest, absorb, and transport the nutrients in that meal. This is known as TEF, or the thermic effect of food, and inside Always Eat After 7 p.m. you'll discover how easy it is to combine foods that lead to an increased metabolic rate and calorie burn, no matter what time of day it is. Knowing all this, how can anyone argue that a late-night meal or snack slows your metabolism? Myth number 3, late-night eating interferes with digestion. A common misconception is that food eaten prior to bedtime is not adequately digested. You've probably heard some of this outdated advice, such as, "At bedtime, your stomach is closed for business," or "Food eaten at night mostly sits there." Not true. Recent research clearly demonstrates that the digestive tract is fully functional during sleep. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2017 found that a pre-bedtime snack eaten at night prior to sleep increased overnight muscle protein synthesis in both younger and older men. In essence, snacking on the right foods before bed will help you increase body contouring muscle overnight. Myth number 4, eating carbs after 7 p.m. packs on the pounds. Almost everyone assumes that you should avoid eating large meals with higher carb foods at dinner time because they promote weight gain. However, a study in the journal Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases in 2013 put this carb curfew to rest. Researchers assigned 78 Israeli police officers to one of two diets for 6 months. Both groups consumed the same number of meals and foods throughout the day. Group 1 followed a normal diet with calories and carbohydrates spread out through the day. Group 2 was assigned to an experimental diet in which they consumed a larger percentage of their calories and carbohydrates in the evening. Both groups. But here's the kicker. The late-night eating, experimental group, which ate most of their carbs after 6 p.m., experienced significantly greater improvements. They lost more weight, burned more body fat, and trimmed more inches from their waistlines. Eating carbs later in the day also improved the hormonal profiles related to hunger, satiety, and metabolism by regulating two very powerful fat-burning hormones, leptin and ghrelin. In yet another published study from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, late-night eaters ate an average of 397 fewer calories per day. What's more, eating carbs at night induces deeper sleep. A research paper published in Sports Medicine in 2014 showed that people who eat the majority of their carbs at dinner actually sleep better. Carb-induced, quality sleep decreases cortisol, a fat-storing hormone, and ramps up the production of your sleep hormones, serotonin and melatonin. Restorative sleep increases other fat-burning hormones, the main one being growth hormone, while you sleep. You just have to follow my simple carb eating guidelines inside my new book and you too can experience these amazing hormone-regulating, metabolism-boosting benefits. Right now, I'm going to make everything you hate about dieting and losing weight a thing of the past. Always eat after 7 p.m. teaches you how to lose big by strategically eating big when you are naturally hungriest, in the evening. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.